Describe natural resources with reference to the following three types. Mineral resources. Mineral wealth as an important place among natural resources. The rocks on the earth are mainly made of minerals. These minerals can be obtained by mining. Minerals that contain a high proportion of metals are ores. Minerals are formed from the magma in the earth's crust and the lava from the eruption of volcanoes when they cool and get transformed into crystals. Example, magnetite mica. Minerals get transformed from one form into another due to large changes in temperature and pressure. Example, diamond graphite. There are three types of minerals according to their properties. Non-metal minerals. Example, mica, sulfur, potash, diamond. Metals minerals. Example, iron, gold, silver, tin, bauxite, platinum. Energy minerals. Example, coal, mineral oil, natural gas, diamond, ruby, sapphire, jade are used as gems. Some important minerals and ores are iron ore, manganese, bauxite, copper and mica. Forest resources. A forest is a natural habitat of plants, animals and microbes. About 30% of the total land of the world is covered by forests. Forests perform certain specific protective and productive functions. We get strong and durable wood as also firewood from trees like teak, mahogany, neem, acacia, subabul. Forest wealth includes fibers, paper, rubber, gum, and aromatic substances. We get fragrant essential oils from lemongrass, vanilla, kevada, vetiver, kush, and eucalyptus. Sandalwood and oil of eucalyptus are used for making soaps, cosmetics, and incense sticks. In addition, we get various fruits, bulbs, and roots, honey, sealing wax, catechu, dyes, etc. from forests. Ocean resources. Energy can be obtained on a large scale from oceans. Sea waves at high and low tide and ocean currents are being used for generation of power. There are reserves of a variety of natural resources in sea water at the bottom of the sea and beneath the seabed too. Scientists believe that billions of tons of minerals are to be found dissolved in ocean water. There are very large reserves of tin, chromium, phosphates, copper, zinc, iron, lead, manganese, sulfur, uranium, etc. in the ocean and seabeds. We get many types of gems, conches, shells, and pearls from the sea. Real pearls are even costlier than gold. There are large scale reserves of mineral oil and natural gas at the bottom of sea. Write answers to the following questions in your own words. What is meant by fossil fuel? What are their types? The fuels which are made from the dead plants and animals that were buried millions of years ago and subjected to extreme pressure and temperature in the earth's crust due to geological processes are called fossil fuels. There are three types of fossil fuels which can be used for energy production: coal, oil, and natural gas. Make a list of the components we obtain from mineral oil. Mineral oil is the liquid fuel formed by the decomposition of organic substances buried underground. Petroleum is extracted through oil wells and refined by fractional distillation to separate other components. Aviation petrol, gasoline, diesel, kerosene, naphtha, lubricating oil, tar are all obtained from mineral oil. What do we get from forests? A forest is a natural habitat of plants, animals, and microbes. We get wood, firewood from trees like teak, mahogany, neem, subabul. Also, we get fibers, paper, rubber, gum, and aromatic substances. We get many medicinal plants like adulsa, bell, neem, periwinkle, cinnamon, cinchona, which are used for treatment of various diseases like cough, cold, diarrhea, fever, cancer, diarrhea, nausea, and malaria. We get fragrant essential oils from lemongrass, vanilla, kevada, kush, eucalyptus. In addition to this, we get fruits, bulbs, and roots, honey, sealing wax, catechu, dyes from forest. What are the items included in ocean resources? What are their uses? Scientists believe that billions of tons of minerals are to be found dissolved in ocean water. There are very large reserves of tin, chromium, phosphates, copper, zinc, iron, lead, manganese, sulfur, uranium, etc. in the ocean and seabeds. We get many types of gems, conches, shells, and pearls from the sea. Real pearls are even costlier than gold. There are large-scale reserves of mineral oil and natural gas at the bottom of sea. Mineral resources from oceans. Thorium, used in the production of atomic energy. Magnesium, used in the flash bulb of a camera. Potassium, the main ingredient in production of soap, glass, fertilizer. Sodium, used in the production of cloth and paper. Sulfate, used in making artificial silk. Bioresources in ocean. Fishes like pomfret, seerfish, as also shrimps and prawns. They are sources of proteins and vitamins, therefore mainly used as seafood. Dried shrimp, Bombay duck powder, used as poultry feed and is a good manure. Shells, used for preparation of medicines, ornaments and decorative articles. Fungi, used for the production of antibiotics. Shark and codfish, used for producing edible oil rich in vitamins A, D, and E. Sea cucumbers, used as medicine for treating cancer and tumors. Why should we prevent the wastage of fuel used for vehicles? Petrol and diesel used in vehicles are fossil fuels made by geological processes in the earth's crust over millions of years. Their reserves are limited and may exhaust in this century. On combustion in the vehicle engine, the fuels give out exhaust gases which are harmful and cause air pollution. Therefore, we should prevent the wastage of fuel used for vehicles. Why is the diversity of plants and animals in the forests declining? Owing to increasing human population, more land is required. The forests are clean cut to make land for dwelling, farming, and industries. In farming, only useful grains and vegetables as food are grown. In cultivated forests, suitable few varieties used for manufacturing goods are planted. Such practices are reducing diversity of plants in forests. On account of hunting and poaching, animal population is declining. Reduced diversity of plants does discourage variety of wildlife to take shelter and have food. Write the names of 5 minerals and the useful substances obtained from them. Iron ore. Iron ore is used to make a variety of articles from pins to heavy machinery. Manganese. Compounds of manganese are used in the preparation of medicines and for giving a pink tinge to glass. Manganese is also used in electrical appliances. Bauxite. Bauxite contains 55% aluminium. Therefore, it is used mainly in aeroplanes, transport vehicles, and to make electric wires. Copper. Copper is used to make electric wires as well as in radios, telephones, vehicles, and for making kitchen utensils and statues. Mica. Mica has many uses such as in Ayurvedic medicines, dyes, electric machines and equipment, wireless communication equipment, etc. Name the two important stages in the process of obtaining metals from ores. The two important stages in the process of obtaining metals from ores are extraction and purification. What steps are taken for protection and conservation of natural resources? Protection and conservation of natural resources is necessary to protect the natural world. CNRM, Community Natural Resource Management, has been promoted in recent years for biological conservation. The World Conservation Union has been formed. It is the world's leading authority and democratic platform in conservation and sustainability. Young trees should not be cut. More and more trees need to be grown. The stringent restrictions, laws, regulations regarding use of forests should be strictly followed. Awareness is being created through mass media. Complete the flow chart. Fuels, fossil fuels. Solid, liquid, gaseous. Solid, coal. Liquid, mineral oil. Gaseous natural gas. Coal, peat, lignite, bituminous coal, anthracite. Mineral oil, petrol, diesel, kerosene, naphtha, oil, tar. Natural gas, methane, ethane, propane, butane. How does the economic condition of a nation depend on its natural resources? Natural resources are a necessary condition for economic growth. Three circles enclosed within one another shows how both economy and society are subsets of a planetary ecological system. Natural resource economics deals with the supply, demand, and allocation of the earth's natural resources. Economic growth is an increase in the value of goods and services produced in an economy. The natural resources of a country depend on the climatic and environmental conditions. Countries having plenty of natural resources enjoy good growth than countries with small amount of natural resources. A country having skilled and educated workforce with rich natural resources takes the economy on the growth path because skilled and educated people can efficiently utilize or exploit natural resources. Example, Saudi Arabia. Their economic growth is high because they have oil wells. All countries import fuel or oil from them, so Saudi Arabia is economically a rich country. Which medicinal plants will you grow on your school premises and near your house? Why? Neem, ashwagandha, asparagus, adulsa, amla, periwinkle, cinnamon, cinchona, bell, durva grass, tulsi, turmeric, ginger can be planted near the school premises. These plants are easy to grow and they are of immense help. Therefore, an attempt will be made to grow them. Can you tell what is meant by fuels? Fuel is a substance that is used in day-to-day life and burned to generate energy. Fuels such as coal, wood, oil, gas provide energy when burned. Fuels are found in solid, liquid or gaseous state. Which natural resources do we use as fuels? We use coal, mineral oil and natural gas as fuels. What is meant by forests? An extensive area of land covered by a variety of plants is called a forest. Are minerals to be found in seas and on the seabed as they are found inside the earth? Yes, there are very large reserves of tin, chromium, phosphates, copper, zinc, iron, lead, manganese, sulfur, uranium, etc. in the ocean and seabed. Use your brain power. Why is mineral oil called liquid gold? Gold means valuable. Mineral oil is also considered to be equally valuable. The whole world needs oil for the energy needs. Since it is a source of energy, mineral oil is considered to be a liquid gold. Why is coal called black gold? Coal is black in color. Coal is very important fossil fuel. Therefore, it is considered as valuable, hence called a black gold. Why is natural gas an eco-friendly fuel? In case of natural gas, there are no solid waste remains after the combustion. The combustion of natural gas can be kept under control. From its combustion, the carbon dioxide and water are formed in very small quantities. It is non-polluting. It can be transported easily and is also cheaper. Hence, it is considered as eco-friendly fuel. Why are all minerals not ores? Many minerals are obtained from ores in the form of compounds, but all are not obtained from ore. Some are obtained in the free state in nature. What is meant by metal mineral and non-metal mineral? Metal minerals are those from which metals are obtained and non-metal minerals are those from which non-metals are obtained. Let's recall. What is meant by natural resources? The resources obtained from the nature and satisfy our needs are called natural resources. Give examples of natural resources. Soils, stones, minerals, air, water, plants and animals are all natural resources. What is meant by lithosphere? The upper surface layer of earth and hard crust beneath it is called lithosphere. The upper surface layer consists of soil and rocks and the crust contains minerals, ores, water, elements, mineral oils and fuels.